It is very important to start making money by creating your own blog to publish it on different websites for you to earn some revenue out from it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create or make a free blog by yourself. So this is very simple. It's going to take you some few minutes and show you how you can post and make everything using the Blogger. Okay, so this is actually going to be very simple tutorial for us to know how we can go by creating our own blog, and at the end of the day we might earn some revenue out from it, provided you just go by the instructions as will be given into this particular video. So first thing first, all what I do on my YouTube channel here is to make money with you guys. So you can go ahead and smash on the subscription button to subscribe to this particular channel, like this video, and don't forget to leave a nice comment, and also join my Telegram and my WhatsApp group. Both the link can be found under the description of this particular video. All right, so let's dive into the video. So just open any browser of yours you've gotten either on your mobile device or on your laptop. Now open a new tab or a new device, let's say new tab, and just search in for blogger.com. All right, so blogger.com and use the first link. So we are creating our blog all by ourselves. This is gonna be free. You don't need to pay for anything. So this is as simple as you can see. So let's try to do this all by ourselves. So click on the first link as you can see here. Now this is blogger.com. So we are here to create our own blog, of which we'll be publishing some blogs or we'll be publishing some articles in here for us to earn something out from it. You know, blogging earn a lot of money to people, provided you have the targeted audience. So I'm going to show you everything you have to know. So first thing first is to click on create your blog. So once you click on it, it's going to take you to a different page. Now, this is a Google blog. It is owned by Google. That is blogger.com. It is basically owned by google.com, and it is also a soft domain website. So all you have to do is to just sign in with your Google account. Okay, so I'll go ahead and click on the Google account in order for me to log into this website. Okay, so we are basically entering into the website. We've entered our password and you're trying to sign into this website, as we can see here. Okay, good. So the next thing we have to do is to just click on continue. I'm just taking in my verification that I've just set on this particular account. Now once you sign in, let me just skip these procedures and focus on the blogging outcome. Okay, all right, so here is different page on the blogger.com. So the next thing is going to tell you is you have to choose a name for your blog. So let's say for the sake of this video, I'm going to choose a blog for myself as my my favorite. Let's say you are my favorite subscriber. Okay, so let's say I'm going to name my blog as a favorite subscriber. Okay, now the next thing I have to do here is to just click on next. Okay, click on next. Now I can go ahead and choose a URL for your blog or for my blog. Now maybe I don't want to get confused, so I want to use that same name I chose earlier. So I'll go ahead and then re-enter that particular word here, my favorite subscriber. Now the first thing first Google is going to check is they are going to check is your blog is valid or is not valid. So he said my blog here is invalid, so that means I have to either edit the name of the blog, or it's either I'm going to add something to it. So let's say my favorite subscriber. So let me say my one favorite. Okay, so let me say my one favorite blogger. So it's still checking, it says it's nothing here. So let me just edit everything here, and let's say I'm creating it for Mr. Henry. Okay, Mr. Henry. So Mr. Henry is checking. So let's say Mr. Henry 1-2, and let's check it out and see. Now Mr. Henry 1-2, we are still checking. This blog is available. So it says this blog is available. That means I can click on next. Now I'll go ahead and click on finished, which will give me the option to confirm your display name. Now display name is going to enable, or is going to give a broad view about your blog. So what is the name you're going to title your whole entire blog? So let me say I would like to go in for, say, Mr. Henry. Okay, Mr. Henry. Mr. Henry 12, okay, in order not to confuse this particular video. So you can go ahead and choose any name for yourself. No, that is Mr. Henry. So we are basically done with everything. Let's click on finished, and it is now processing for us. No, we are going to take a while. All right, so we are currently in here. Now, here is your own blog for yourself. So we have nothing here. You've written nothing here. So there is the need for you to write something or do some settings inside here. Okay, good. So this is our blog. Okay, so in order for you to make your blog very attractive, in order for you to make your blog very interesting for people to see it, and then they will come here and make a clicks on it, you have to customize your blog or edit your blog and make it very, very unique. Okay, good. Now here is our blog. Now you have the option here as posts, statistics, comment, earnings, your pages, your layout, your theme, settings, and everything. So I'm going to take you through everything you have to know. First of all, let me clear this. All right, so let me try it. Okay, it's cleared. So let me try to, so you can currently see we have no post inside here because this is a new blog out here. Now the next thing we have to do here is to, let me start from the theme here. Now there is the need for you to customize your work in order for your blog to look very unique whenever someone penetrates or whenever someone enters your blog to read an article or anything you publish here is going to look very unique. There is the need for you to customize things. Now I would like to customize it, so come to the theme aspect here and click on customize. Once you click on customize, it's gonna give you the opportunity to either change the background of your work. So the name of it is my favorite subscriber. So you are my favorite subscriber currently right now. So now I can go ahead and change the background or remove the background. So let's say I don't want that background over there. Then I want to change it to something like something very interesting. We can go ahead and choose any type for yourself. Okay, but make sure that whatever you are choosing here will definitely reflect your words color. Okay, the words that you're going to use, the color of it. So let's say I would like to go in for this color, this red color here. Okay, so you can see my favorite subscriber. I can see on the top here, very bold one. Good. So I can go ahead and click on advanced to either select or the font of my letters or the words that I'm going to use it out here. I can go ahead and change it to any default style that I prefer. Now I can even go ahead and change the color of the theme. Okay, so let me say click on transparent here. Now you can see there is nothing here as it is written here. Good. So I can go ahead and change the color of this. So you can see it is changed. That's the black. I can go ahead and change it to black. Now it is changed. Now let's say I want to maintain this color. Okay, so this is going to be the color of our blog that we'll be posting. Now I can even go ahead and go to the gadget aspects here and click on pages about me and a whole lot of stuff, so you can make a lot of editings out here. Okay, so this is how our blog is going to look like, my favorite subscriber. Now this is the title of our blog. Now let's go back, and then after we have been able to customize everything, now if you don't save once you are done, you have to come and save it out here. If you don't save it, then is everything you're going to do is going to be very waste for you. So let's go back and visit our layout. Okay, so this is our layout as we can see here. Now we can go ahead and then add a lot of indicators to this layout in order to make our blog very unique. But you have to know that there are some of the indicators here, you are going to be limited to it. Okay, because this is not a full customized, or this is not a full blog, although this is a simple one you can create for free, unlike the blogs or websites people have been using it to generate a lot of money. They started with this same procedure with a blogger. Later on they bought domain for themselves and continue with their blog, and which have gotten to a higher target. So now there are a lot of websites or bloggers who are making money out from the website. Yeah, there are a lot of bloggers making money out there. Not necessarily they didn't visit Blogger. Yeah, they did, but this website is going to limit you in some aspects. So there is the need for you to get a domain. Now, if you want a domain, you go ahead in the video comment section and just type domain. Okay, just type domain. That's it. Just comment domain. And my next video is going to show you how you can get domain to insert in your blog spots in order for you to get a targeted audience. Okay. Now, this is the layout aspect here. So you can go ahead and input in anything here, make an edit to the search tab and everything here. Okay, you can go ahead and make editing to the header of your work. Maybe you want to change the title. Okay, you want to insert in some picture here. You can go ahead and put it that there. Like that picture is going to be something like a profile. You can go ahead and insert it here, and here is going to be your name or the blog title. So in case you don't want my favorite blogger, you can your favorite subscriber, you can go ahead and change it. That is it. And you can also come here to the page list. You can make an edit to how your page is going to be listed. Okay, so this is currently, we are going to show how whether they are going to be shown in list or any form of how you prefer. Okay, so this is another feature as well. So here is ads, that's AdSense. So this is basically about you connecting your blog to AdSense, Google AdSense. As I said, this blogger type is owned by Google. So in case you actually want to link your Google AdSense to your blog in order for it to show us to help you make money, you can go ahead and add it to yourself. But please make sure that before you connect your Google AdSense to your blogger, you have to get audience. Okay, that's the very first thing. You have to get a lot of people viewing your blog most of the time. That is going to earn you a lot of revenue, as I'm saying currently right now here. But if you don't have the targeted audience, please, I will just advise you don't link your Google AdSense to your blogger right now, because that's actually not going to earn you anything. All right, so you can go ahead and make an edit to the body, the page body. You can also make some font text and other stuffs out here. Okay, so you can also go ahead and add gadgets for your blog, and that's all for this particular aspect here. So let's go to the pages now here. Now, here are the pages. The pages simply talk about your current blogs that you are going to make. Now, there is no current blog because this is a new blog site. So let's go to our earnings out here. Now, you have to create AdSense account. I already have an AdSense account. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how you can create an AdSense account. Now, that's what YouTubers have been using to make money. So you can connect your any brand, that's your YouTube or any blog spots to, or your website to Google AdSense, which are going to display ads for you to make money at the end of the month or at the end of the day. So as I said earlier, if you don't have targeted audience, there is no need for you to link your blog to Google AdSense, because you're not going to get anything at the end of the day. So there is the need for you to get a targeted audience. I mean, you have to get people who will be reading your blog. Assuming you posted a blog for at least, let's say you posted a blog today, and by 1 week time you should have gotten maybe 1K followers or 1K viewers out from that's going to help you make a lot of money as you'll be connecting it with Google AdSense. All right, so that's basically about the earnings aspect. Now let's go ahead. I'll talk about the comment and start once I make a new post. Now here is a post. We don't have anything here, so let's go ahead and create a post for ourselves. So all you have to do is to just click on new post, and it's going to open a new interface for you. Now this is the interface. Now the next thing I have to do here, I went to Google Chat or Google Chat GPT rather, and I told Chat GPT to teach me how to grow audience. Now how to grow audience. So these are the steps Google Chat GPT gave me. So I would like to copy everything here and insert it into my blog. Now here is the title. Now let me try to copy the title here. Okay, so I'll go back to my blog and then insert in or paste in the title. So growing your audience involve a mix of strategies, okay, to your specific platforms and goals. So let me go ahead and copy the entire body of everything that I just told Google to write it for me here, GTP to write it for me here. All right, so I'll go ahead to my blogspot and then paste in everything here. Now this is a blog that I have simply just make it with Chat GPT. Now you can go ahead and insert in some picture. You can go ahead and bold anything you want to, but before that you have to highlight. Okay, so you can see all these things have been bold already, so you can go ahead and make it either italic, or you can underline it, or maybe change the color of it to, let's say, red color. Okay, so let's say this has been changed to red, so you can go ahead and do everything. Now if I've been following me, I've been teaching about how you can make money with a blog on Adstera and MoneyTag. If you want to insert any of their links too, you can go ahead and insert a link here, so that once people using your link, you can earn something out from it. But then if you want to insert any image, photos, you can go ahead and upload from your computer or your photos or any blogger. So let's say I want to insert this from Blogger, but there is no picture. I don't have any picture on Blogger. So maybe you have URL, any picture from there, you can go ahead and upload it. But I have one picture from my computer, so let me go ahead and then upload the picture from my computer. Okay, good. So I would like to go in for this picture here. Let me see this, and click on that. So you're simply going to add our picture to our spot, our blog out here. Okay, so this is the picture that I'm currently going to use. Okay, so you can make an adjustment to wherever it's either left alignment. You can also do that either center alignment, or you can go right alignment. Okay, it depends on how you want to unique your blog. So you can go ahead and also enlarge it or make it very small. Anyhow you prefer, you can go ahead and do that. Now you can see at this side here we have publish. Now you can go ahead and set the time you want to publish your blog. So today is 17th August 2024. You can go ahead and set any time. Maybe you want to publish it on next week, tomorrow, any day. Okay, so you can go ahead and also add a permalink. Okay, so in case you have any customized domain or any customized link, you can go ahead and click on that, but then you don't have, so it has been automatically permalinked. Okay, so you can set a location, so wherever you want your blog to, you want to send your blog, you can go ahead and set a location for that. And also you can go ahead and see different options here which will help readers to either comment or they shouldn't comment. So you can see I have already allowed um, readers to make comments on it, so you can change it to either they shouldn't make comments or that of that. Okay, so you can see preview here, you can see publish it. So let's go ahead and make a preview and see how our blogs looks like. Now once I click on preview, it's going to take me to how my blog is going to look on the laptop right now here. So you can see this is my blog and the picture is here, so you can see growing your audience involve a mixture of strategies tailored to your specific blah blah blah. So you can see everything is here nicely. Since I gave the opportunity for people to comment, you can see they have the opportunity to enter their comments here. So you can see my name here as my favorite blogger. So this is the, you can see there is a red background here. That is what we chose earlier in the theme. All right, so this is very simple, guys. You can go ahead, so you can view that on the desktop, on your mobile device, or on your Android. That's the smartphone. You can also rotate and check it out how it's going to look. So that is it on how it's going to look on different devices. Okay, good. So that is how your blog is going to look. Now we can go ahead and publish this blog. Now once we click on publish, it's going to tell us either to confirm it, and we click on confirm. So it's going to publish our work. So you can see it has been published here. Okay, so 17th August at 9 blah blah blah, it has been published. Okay, now if you want to unpublish it, you can go ahead and click on revert, and then it's actually going to be unpublished. That means it's going to be on drafts. But if you want to publish it, you can go ahead and click on that sign, and it's going to publish it for you. Now you can delete it. You can also check the number of viewers where the statistics comes in. Okay, that's where you are going to see the statistics on how people have been looking at the blogs. Okay, good. Or the number of people who have been looking at the blogs. So this is currently Mr. Henry, blah blah blah. So once you click on it, that is my favorite blogger, and that is it. Guys, this is very simple. You can create this, and then you target some audience to make money. So at the end, you can link it with any other Google AdSense or media.net or any other source which will generate you revenue to make money out from it. So this is very cool, guys. So you can see my blog has been published. I can go ahead and click on the share button to copy the link. So I can copy the link and start sharing it on my Facebook so that people will get to know this type of blog or this blog. So once they will be reading, I'll be getting the audience, and moreover, once they have getting the access to know much about my blog, whenever I post a blog, it will automatically reflect to them in order for them to know. So you can go ahead and insert a domain which is going to constantly sell your blog out to people. Okay, so you can go ahead, as I said, comment down in the comment section domain. That's simply what I want to know. So please kindly subscribe to this particular YouTube channel, like this video, and leave a nice comment as you've watched this video. Don't forget to join my Telegram and my WhatsApp group. Both the link can be found under the description of this video. If you have any question, since we are all learning, we are all students, or you're also learning from me, I'm also learning from you, leave it in the comment section and I'm going to help you answer that. Thank you very much for watching this particular video.